Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. Now, as you might have seen the thumbnail also and the topic of the club, activity also, that it is going to be a color palette activity. Now, in our child days, we have already used so many color palettes to brush, to color out our paintings and all of like that. But have you ever created a color palette to change the background color in code.org? If not, then this video is exactly for you. Do watch here. So, how does it work first? So, now, right now, you will be able to see there are no colors available. So, when I click on show, all the colors are available. I have selected specific colors. If you want to go ahead and use any different color, it's your choice. Okay. So, whenever I want to show any color palette, I will click on show button. If I don't want to show, I'll click on hide button. So what will happen? When I click on red, the background will change to red. Cyan, green, blue, and all these kind of stuff will happen. Okay, so this is going to be changing the background screen color. Whenever you click on any of the color, it will apply the same color in the background. Isn't that amazing? Yes, then let's start to create this. So for that, I have already created one blank code.org project in the app lab. Click on create button, select the app lab. Then I'm going to design and let me apply the theme first. Yes, you can apply any theme. Okay, I'll apply this. Then what I'm going to do, I'll be taking two buttons on the screen. One will be show, another will be hide. On the first button, I will type the ID as show, text also show, id as show, and then second button I'll type the id as hide and text also hide. So now we know when you click on show button, all the colors will be visible. When you click on hide button, they won't be visible. So, what do we want to do here? We want to create multiple color buttons over here. Okay, so how to do that? I'm just going to take a button. I'm just going to delete the text from the button. Let me give the ID as red. Okay, and then I'm going to put the background color as red. Yeah, that's all. And what I have to do, I have to make this button as circle. So for that, I have to increase the last property which is called as border radius. I have already shown what is the border radius in previous classes. If you have not seen the previous videos, go ahead and check it out on my channel. So what I'll do now, the borders became, the corners became circular, but I don't want this much space in the center. So I will just reduce the width. Let me make it 40. It's done. We have created one button. Similarly, if I want to create it, I will take another buttons and do like that. But in order to save the time, I will basically I'll just go ahead and duplicate the button. Duplicate multiple times, and you can just keep it like that in alignment. Okay. You can keep it anywhere as per your choice. But the best part will be keep it in one line. Okay. So you will also get some space at the bottom and you'll be able to see how your app is looking. Okay, if you want to keep it somewhere here also, that's fine. Do it. Designing is in your hand. Every class I tell this, designing is in your hand. All right. Oh, this one is done now. So what I'm going to do here is it not properly aligned? Yes, it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on second button now. Let me just change the text, ID, sorry, not text, to green color. And I'm going to give the background as green now. Okay, the third thing will be, you can select any color as per your choice. Okay, let me select something called cyan and giving the ID as this. Fourth button will be different. Which color? Yellow? Yeah, fine. We can give yellow over there. Background I will choose as yellow. Here. All right. Next color we will choose as blue. Okay. The next one I will choose as purple. And next two, which colors are remaining from here now? Let me say I will take pink. This one. And another last we want now. Maybe I will take black. Something like that. Okay, now I have to give the IDs because I have not given the IDs for these buttons. So let me give it black, pink, purple, and blue. I guess rest of the IDs I have already given. Okay, understood? Okay, so this is going to be the designing. Okay, and now let's begin with our coding part. So what I'll do in the coding is, first of all, what I want when I run, none of the buttons should be visible. Okay, so what I will do over here is on event, I'll take two on events. One on event will be for hide, another on event will be for show. Okay, and so what I'll do initially, I don't want these buttons to be visible, so I'll click on those buttons, I'll make it down, mark it as hidden. Okay, every button you have to click it and mark it as hidden. So what will happen, the hidden is the property. Right now you will see that it's still looking in a faint color, but when you run the code it will not be visible. Okay, so it makes it easier for us to hide it. When you don't want to show something, when you run the code, then see, no color palette is visible now. Then we'll go to the code. So when you hide it, when you show it first, I can keep it at the first. When I show it first, I'll just put the show element instruction. Okay, so I'm just searching for show element, and I'll just select the ID. So every color ID I have to give. Okay, black, I want to copy the instruction. It's a app lab, so we can easily copy and paste. Control C, I'm doing it control V, yeah, like that. Okay, then I'm doing here black is done. Let me do blue. Next thing will be sand. Next thing will be green, pink, purple, and how many colors are remaining now? Red. One more is remaining. Okay, I'll take it, which is yellow. Now, when I run, nothing is visible, but when I click on show button, every button is visible now. Yes, all right. And now, see, opposite to that, I have to do in a hide button. So I'll do hide element. Okay, again, we will go here. We will copy the hide element instruction from here. Let's do control V. Yeah. And now what I'm going to do is, let's select every other color. If you miss any other color, it will still be visible. Okay. So make sure you are selecting every color that comes. No color should be remaining. Purple, pink, and green. Have I done everything? Yeah, I think so. Black is remaining. Let's see. We will come to know. Show, hide. Yes, I have done everything. That's nice. Now this thing is completed. But what we want to do after this, we want to change the background screen color. Isn't it? How to change the background screen color when I click on particular button. So when I click on this, it should change the background screen color. For that, I will take the on event. Okay, it's very easy. You have to repeat the code. So let me take first of all on event for the red color, as the first button was red. So when you click on the red color button, I would take one set property instruction. Set property, set property means change. So set the screen's background color to red color. So when I run, show, click on red. Yes, it's working. Now what we will do? We will again copy this, and now we are going to paste it multiple times. Okay, see, copy and paste makes it very easy. What did I do? Okay, let me do for these many blocks first. So these are some space blocks which are coming. If you don't want it, you can remove it. It's a good idea to keep a space between, that you understand how many ornaments you have taken and all of like that. So let me do it black. I will type here black. Red is already completed. Blue. You just have to change the color ID. Cyan, I will give here cyan. Purple will be for purple. It's kind of lengthy, but it is very easy once you do it. Okay, now see, if I give the pink color, it might give me the different shade. So if you want the same shade, what you can do, go to design, click on this pink color, and you can also do like that. Like there is one color, right? Background color. You can copy this RGB over here, and then in the color code, without the double code, you need to paste it like that. Just paste it, it will come there. Okay, now which one is remaining? I have taken green. I'll type here green, and I think every color is done now. Pink, purple, cyan, green, blue, black, yellow. Yeah, I think yellow is remaining. All right. Let's run the code. Click on the show button and see how it is changing. One, two, everything is changing correctly. Amazing. So this is our color palette app. It's kind of lengthy, but it is very easy when you do copy and paste, right? Never waste your time. Whenever possible, do copy and paste unless and until you understand the code. Okay. So, yes. So, guys, this was the simple color palette app that you can make inside the code.org. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share to Coding with Juniors. I'll be back with upcoming video, and wait for that. And if you have any question, put that in comment box below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Keep coding.